Hello guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this ladder from Luisladders that I bought. It was really good price, around $73 in Amazon. It came really fast because there was something going on. The only thing is that it came like broken there, but it's a ladder, so I don't think it's a big deal. So let's start unboxing. So I open the box and I see this. So this is Luisladders in there. Okay. So now we're just gonna take it out. Oh, it's not as heavy as I thought. That's good. Okay. And in the box I have some instructions, how to put the ladder. It's not so heavy, I can handle it. Okay, so there are two things here in the middle. They're inside of the bag. This. Okay, so I took these things out from the middle, and they had a baggie with these four screws. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble. I'm going to follow the instructions and show you. It looks good though. Okay, so while I was turning around the ladder and everything, the last one came out. Apparently it was inside of the ladder. So now to mount the what's it called? Stabilizer bar, we take out these plastic things here, and then it says to place this here. Okay, so I had to do some research to find out how you use this kind of nut and bolt correctly, and this turns out to be a nylon nut. So you're supposed to put it the way that doesn't have the nylon thing going like down, so the nylon is going to prevent it from coming out in the future. So the big bummer is that I don't have the tools to put this, but I found this thing. I found two of them actually, so I'm just gonna use those. I already put this in, but I need to adjust it. Same thing in this one. So let's try. Rather do it the other way, but anyway, this is to show you guys, so it's okay. Oh, I wanted to show you while I was taking these things out from this other one, and everything came out. So this is it's how it comes from the factory, I guess. So this goes there inside, but you want to just put this back in, so you have this and you don't get dirt and stuff there. In my case, notice that this other two, they came like broken. You see? I guess they broke it when they were bringing it. So, well, it was a good price. The other one was also hard to take, so I just used a screwdriver to push it out. There we go. And I want to keep that one there. Okay, so as you see now, I was able to stand it up. It's not that tall, so it's manageable, and I can just hold it and go with it wherever I want. The weight is okay, and now we'll see how this hinge system thing works. So let's do that. Okay, so I was struggling with the hinge system, trying to understand it, and so let's see if it works. First, well, here it has like an L and an O. The L stands for locked and the O for open. So when you pull this thing up, now it's open. Now let's hope this doesn't fall on me. So pull that up, and I'm going to put the ladder on the position I want. Okay. So I'm gonna make it straight. Yes. Okay. So now it's locked. L position. The other side is also locked. The A setting, so it's okay. It's a little bit taller than me. I'm about 5'7", so yeah, it's a good size for a house. So it's a pretty decent size. So, and it's not like very wide. It's probably like a thin person, kind of wide. So for me it's good. Seems stable. I'm up right now. So I'll give it a try. Oh, and also here is locked. Just make sure everything is locked before you go up, because you can fall or something. So now I can fix my bulb there and take care of some other stuff. So I think this is good. This is a great ladder. The price was fantastic. It was very cheap. It was one of the cheapest ones I found. So I'm happy with it. It's light enough I can take it anywhere through my home, and some parts were tricky to assemble, but it was okay. These are the ways you can put your ladder. I like the scaffold one. I might do some painting, so I'll just put it like that and maybe put some wood or something so I can stand on it. And that's it for today. I think it's a good ladder. It's the Luisladders aluminum, quite light, inexpensive. That's the model EN131. Yeah, I think it's good. So hope you like this review. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.